At the end of a long, narrow road lies a house of horrors, otherwise known as a casino. Let's go check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Blackbird Bend Casino.
Got a bonus. There we go. Alright. No, not those ones. Not that one. No. Come on, middle. $2.80. Got it. Ah. Shit. Danger. No. $10.40. Come on, kitty. $1.40. Get the middle one. Come on. $16.80. All right, keep going. Oh. 9,600 ways to win. That was $1.20 to win, by the way. Nothing. Damn it! I put 100 in, so that'll work just fine. Spin number 10. Hey girl, hey, all day. Give me red kitty. Damn it. You're one away from a full screen, you bastard. $85. How much for a full screen thing? Anybody know? Nobody knows? Back of things some cool worth. Electric cash. I got a stick and a spin. Oh, shoot a load. Hot as fuck. Get him. If I fill her up, I get the grand, we assume. Oh, or maybe I'll just land nothing, fucking asshole. Because I put my hand there, you guys. Obviously the hand is needed again. God damn it. It's because I put my hand there. It's because I put my hand there. This bitch. Well, you guys went through a lot of animation there, huh? Yippee skippy. Oh, do it again. Just joking. Stupid shit is on the other side of that one. Electric cash. Sweet chili link. What a dumb name. Come on. Can I put my hand there? Yep, exactly. I told you. Come on, land some. Those are $10. Fuck that shit. Give me. Where's my $50 ones? Yeah, like that. Oh, there she. I asked, and she comes out running. Oh, we're gonna fill the fuck out of it. Come on, you guys. Damn it. All right, that's pretty decent, I think. I'll call that decent. A ring ding. Oh, back of spin because I'm a cool kid. God damn it. Fucking Ainsworth, their stupid ass bullshit. One line method, and I got all 5 times 3s for a $15 bet on Eagle Bucks. Give me the feature 2. She ain't got it. God damn it. $15 bet. This could be hot and horny. This game is shit at me. Still my finger. Apple Christ. Here we go. Oh my god. Hold your lot, but nothing. Typical. Oh, surprise, surprise. Yeah, no things I'm not surprised about. Retrigger, you bitch. Is that nothing? Sure is. Oh my god. A little something. Yippee skippy kitty. Alright, we ain't got time for your bullshit. Your bullshit. Your buffalo shit. Oh my god, this game fucking hates me. Why do you hate me? I'm a nice boy. Be nice to me. I pet you. Same feces to the face. This whore. Wow. Every fucking time. One line method realness. 1 times 3 down the middle there. Thunder ass. Here we go. Lightning strike me, bitch. Retrigger me, bitch. Or nothing, me, bitch. You're a bitch. You're a whore. You landed right there. Nope, she don't land. Oh, for fuck's sake. I put my hand there. Let's go like as fuck, you guys. Damn it. I like diamonds. They're my best friends. God damn it. Lightning bolt. You're pissing me off. No, I'm pissed off. Yep. Yippee skippy that one. My neighbor just got up and left. Put in that $200 voucher. Had a big win, and now we get this. Oh, here we go. That was 80 cents. Come on, fucker. Get that middle bastard down there. Get it. She don't listen at all. That tramp. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Middle bastard. God damn it. 80 cents is too much winning. Oh, fuck you. $3.20 now. There she is. She came to party. She refuses to be left behind. Now get out in front. There she done is. $3.40 is too much winning. Come on, middle kitty. No, well, that one's okay. Not okay. 3,600 ways to wiener. $4.40 is too much winning. Ah, damn it. Mer, 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 mer. Mer, mer, mer. 7s for no, nothing. Middle. I got it. I didn't get it. $4.70. Oh my god, it's $5.10 now. All right, come on. I want $2.35. You're goddamn right. Quiet, kitty. Mer, 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 mer. Mer, mer, mer. $7.60. That's too much winning. Ding, ding, ding. Get the middle bastard. There it is. Can you double jump in the bonus? I forget. $8.50. You're so close. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, ring a ding. $12.30. Come on, middle. She's not gonna do it. You whore. Meow, 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 meow. $13.20. Middle horseshoe, kitty. Middle horseshoe. I put my hand up for good luck. I was just joking. Oh my god. 21,000 ways to wiener. Woo! Pink kitty. And nothing. Middle. Middle kitty. Or 25. How about second column and third? I put my hand up for good luck as fuck. Damn it. Meow. Meow. Big wiener. $25. That's been paid. Right in here. I pets you for in here. 38.60 is what we're at. You jerk. Oh, we got 2 of them. That's hot and horny. No. That was a damn good bonus for 80 cents. Thanks, neighbor, for leaving that for me. You bitch. All right, we got your ass. Now we gotta go for that middle kitty. Middle kitty. Oh, I meant that. So I originally meant to do it just one line times 3 for $3 a bet, and I moved it down to the one line method, and there, I already won more than that bonus. Bonus, bonus, you bastard. The extra shit. Oh, I moved it. Alright, get that fucking cab, bastard. Get your ass down here. 60 cents so far. Too many cents. Come on, you bastard. No, we don't want that. We don't want $8. That's not a hobby of ours. Meow, 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 meow. Hot as fun. 60 cents. Too much winning, too much winning. It's not enough. Ooh, 80 cents. Dead veggied. Oh, fuck off. You can eat my fucking ass. That's what you can do. I'll probably get something amazing now. 4 doll hairs. A ring and a ding ding, ding ding ding. Come on, little kitty. You're an asshole. 470. Damn it. What up, bitch? Oh, big win. I got your big win. 1270. Yippee skippy. Mer, mer, mer. All right, get your ass out of here. The one line method times 3. Oh, care about the middle line times 3. Feature 2. Nope. One line times 3. Come on, you bastard. Yeah. Can't land shit. Oh, we didn't miss out on anything either. Whole jalapa, nothing. Per usual. Per usual. Oh, this bitch. Alright, we missed out on eggs. 3 of a kind of eggs. Yippee skippy. Does that pay something? Of course not. Oh, I gotta hate this game. Why am I playing this? Just to get myself pissed off? Because it's working really, really well. If that was my goal, it's working. Come on, retrigger. Got it. Ring-a-ding. Alright, we got you. You're fancy, we know. Ooh, 9s. Color me hot and horny. Got no things you shouldn't color me. I'm pissed off for a reason. God damn it, I missed out on deer kitties. Alright, 10s. We missed out on deers. Alright, fuck off. Still a better bonus than when we played Max. Alright, fine. I said fine. It's fine. Oh, I just had to fuck you redo that bonus. Middle line, 1 times 3, $3 bet. Lightning bolt the shit out of me. Just joking. Of course I was joking. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my god. Angry gambler. This bitch. Oh my god. Getting pissed off. I am pissed off. Fuck you. Oh my god. Last spin. Oh, another riveting bonus. Fuck off. $8. I got it. I got it. Oh my god, I got it. I poked your eyes. You little shitbag. I got it, right? I got it. I got it. Mass up. I got it. I was just about to give up on this because this game is fucking bullshit. Okay, I got it. Okay. I'm happy now. A few spins later, I got another goddammer. Feature 2 here. Yes, real fine. Come on, give me the monument thing and then the eagle kitties down there for the top hit for this game. Give me that top hit kitty on one line method. You do it because I put my hand there. She don't do it. She's not doing it. She's not interested. Come on, you eagle pricks. I've never actually I've done this bonus I think twice and I've never actually used the fucking thing because I can't line everything up. I'm getting pissed off. There. Queens. Yippee skippy. I got it! 150. Oh, god damn it. Why is everything else shitty? Oh, that was 171. Fine. Fine. I put 100. Alright, I finally got the last bonus and I'm cashing the fuck out. This game is such bullshit. Oh my god, I hate this game. Apple Grace. Change your luck. Go get fucked. There's my pumpkin kitty. Let's do it again. Doggone! Give me a full screen of the wild symbol. How about that? When you get 15,000 ways. 15,000 ways to lose. Oh, kitty. What a shitty kitty. 555. Whatever, bitch. Hi. Yeah, you get down here. We like you. I'll win it again. That's fine with me. Oh, clever kitties. 685. That's too much winning. Woo! $685 still. 1,200 ways to wiener. Yeah, get your ass down here. All right. You're gonna shit on me and give me that 13, aren't you? No, you're probably gonna give me the 8 over there. You'll find a way to award that because you're a whore. 685. This bitch. This bitch. Your bitch. Lucky penny kitty. $2.40 for that line. Oh, so much winning. Come on. Nope. 925 total. You're an asshole. You're a fucking whore and a half. See how shady this game is? Shady for days. 1045 is the total. Come on. Yeah, middle. No, 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 no. Where is my horsey? This bitch. This bitch. 8,400 ways to lose. Oh my god. 1085. You are such a slut. 10,000 ways to lose. Where is my middle horseshoe? I put my hand there for good luck? Of course not. Of course not, SDGuy. That would be too apra-fucking-po is what that would be. Oh my god, I'm getting mad. Mad as hell. Yes, 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 I am. Because this game is a bunch of bullshit. Fuck you. $8.80, ring-a-ding. Oh my god. This is a bunch of shit. Oh, you can go fuck yourself. Oh my god, I'm getting so mad. I'm getting so fucking mad. Oh, I got the damn thing. I'm so mad. I feel great. Oh, the kitty. And 138. Fine. That was hot and horny. And super, super fancy. Now get the other one. No need to wait. I'll just end up in oh, can we get it again? Yeah, let's get it again. Why the fuck not? 14,000 ways to lose. $164 bonus. Oh my god. Find a way to win it, award it again. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, there. She wants to. She's thinking about it. All right. There, this is it. Give me 4 of them. Oh, go, kitty. Right here. Yeah. I got it. I got 3 of them. That's actually hilarious. That is hilarious. Huge wiener. Wow, that was a good bonus. $212? That was a damn good bonus. Wow. Okay, it's my new favorite game again. Fuck this game. This game is rigged as fuck. Go fuckity fuck. Girl, bye. 3 lines times 3 for a $9 bet. Where's my feature 2? Line these little asses up. Come on, I'm gonna lick my butt. Oh my god. Oh, surprise, surprise. For fuck's sake. Gotta reach it. Yo, ring it in. Fine. I said that's fine. Do it again. Eagle kitties, I pet you. Get your asses out here. They aren't coming. Retrigger? No. You thought about it, but nope. Oh my god. Quit being a whore. Fly, you little bastard. Okay, fine. $45 is too much money. I bet you. Last spin. Riveting once again. Oh my god, this game. 9 times 3, third time's charm, right? That's right. That's right, SDGuy. Come on. Yeah. Just joking. I was joking. Yeah, another one for the books. Come on, you jerk. Right. Okay, put my hand there. It'll do something. I did nothing. Oh, fuck you. Oh, Angry Amber's back. Oh, my God. Oh, God damn it. Yep, there it is. There it is. Riveting. Oh, aces? Oh, a new record, you guys. Oh, ring-a-ding. I back this one because I'm a cool kid. All right, yep, here it is again. Feces to the face. Love it. Oh. Look who came to say, hey, girl, hey. She brought her fucking pal to bed. Pal don't fucking matter. Oh, my God. Is this thing broken? Oh, hi. Okay, fine. Nope. Why don't you re-trigger for the bastards? 10. Nope. Aces? Yep. Nope. All right, another new record. Hat trick? No, just joking. Okay, fine. I just got the middle kitty now. I just recorded that. Oh my God. My new favorite game, like I said, guys. A massively named kitty. I didn't get my phone up because I thought it was one of those two, because this game is so shady as fuck. All right, that's fine. That's all right. We like that. I bet you. Throw your ass up there. She's growing and showing and giving me a 10x multiplier. Oh my fucking phone fell out. Give me the 10x. Here comes the 10x. Stop. 2 is fine, right? Something like that. That was fun. You're shitting on me. I'm gonna need you to pop them. Oh, 3x. 5. Oh my God, and more. That is the most heartbreaking thing in the world. I've never gotten the 5x. Fuck you. Yeah. So you will do the 10x this time, and you will do the goddamn thing. I'm mad now. I am pissed off. Oh my God. Stop. She'll give me nothing. I can't wait for nothing. That's pretty much nothing. Might as well be nothing. Not even my bet back. Yippee. Well, that was a fun little stop, huh? We're leaving with a lot more money in our wallet than we came here with. That's all I can ask for. So everybody wave goodbye to the Blackbird Casino. Bye, till next time. Update your recording policy.